Now, let us have a look at migration patterns in detail. The main reason for migration of people from rural to urban areas is the lack of employment opportunities and inadequate income in rural employment. People migrate with the expectation of higher incomes, more opportunities for family members, and better services. In the organized sector, Ramaya was able to find work. Most urban migrants had to work as laborers and find employment in the unorganized sector. They worked as hawkers, painters, repair persons, rickshaw pullers, construction labor, etc. The people who migrate from rural to urban areas to work in industry and other service activities has been recognized as a natural response to raise their income and for better family prospects. They have chance for education, take up new jobs and acquire new skills in this process. The towns offer less discrimination based on caste and gender and more freedom. Due to extreme anxiety and insufficient employment opportunities in the rural areas, most of the people move to urban areas. In towns and cities, living conditions for these people is worse for the reason that the space is confined and basic amenities such as drinking water and sanitation aren't available. For these people, there is no job security and decent income that they were aspiring for, because they are not able to find jobs in the organized sector, so they continue to work on daily wage basis. Many families have their own houses both at the native place and the current living place as well. They shift between the two, native place and current living place, depending on work and seasons. Migration does not necessarily include movement of all family members, where the wife remains in the rural area. For the rural family, remittances, that is, money sent by migrants from their destination, are an important means of supplementing or generating additional incomes for the rural family. The amount of remittances and the pressure to stay in the urban areas are based upon the needs of rural family members. Since migrants want to safeguard their rights over land and homestead, they keep the economic ties in rural areas. For most urban migrants, families left in rural areas are important. Actually, it is the family which decides whether their family members should migrate or not. Depending upon their skills and educational qualifications, urban migrants use different job searching methods. For getting urban jobs, contacts and networks are important. Before coming to urban areas, villagers pre-arrange their jobs through their contacts or networks. They maintain close connection with their rural areas for a variety of reasons. Migrants also convey the urban opportunities to the rural areas with the intention that potential migrants can engage in rural-based job search. Migration is the survival strategy for many families in most of the situations.